Hey,
Hey,
Hey.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys.
Happy
New Year, man.
And the temperatures were very comfortable, nice for the outdoor activities. And we had a great crowd to watch the fireworks up there on the ridge. And I had, boy, in my neighborhood, I must have had their own separate fireworks extravaganza going on because they were going on all night long, it seemed like.
I had sparklers.
Oh, very good.
What?
Keep it simple.
I'm afraid of real big fireworks.
Let's go out the airport and see what's going on. 3 degrees currently under basically high clouds out there. Our high today is 14. The overnight low is 3. Record high 41, 2011. Record low 61 in 1969. The sunrise this morning was at 10:53. Sunset exactly at 3 o'clock, which gives us 4 hours and 7 minutes of daylight. And our winds are calm. The barometer is rising. And as far as what's going on for our picture for tonight, this one's sent in by Pat DeRuyter, a beautiful after Christmas sunrise. And again, if you have a photograph to share, by all means send to Mike Schultz at KTVF11.com. Okay, our satellite picture tonight showing lots of clouds over the southern sections of the state, but you know what? When it comes in from the south, the Alaska Range blocks most of it out, and you can see the moisture is moving across the Prince William Sound area. A little bit of moisture across the southwest part of the state too, but just mainly high clouds in the Fairbanks area. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, we have a few showers around Ketchikan, foggy conditions at Juneau, nice mild temperatures at Kodiak, raining there, 38 degrees, also 38 degrees around the Anchorage Bowl. Up and down the west coast, lots of clouds, but cooler temperatures too, 28 degrees at Nome. Not too bad in Barrow, 3 degrees below zero, and a nice day in Fort Yukon, 12 degrees above. Lower 48 weather, well, there's showers back into the picture over the Pacific Northwest, but nice weather over the southwest. The Central Plains looking pretty good. Denver, 32 degrees, freezing. Chilly in Minneapolis, 18 degrees. Nice weather over the northeast and over the southeast too. And on our satellite picture, you can see a little band of moisture moving across the Gulf Coast states, but the rest of the country looking pretty good. Just a few high clouds here and there, a few splotches of light snow, and that's it. Another storm system trying to move in across the Pacific Northwest, but it looks like, for the most part, that high pressure is going to keep it out. Now, the overall outlook for tomorrow is calling for blustery conditions and cold air across the northern plains to continue, and cold air all the way down into the central plains. And for this weekend, the jet stream expected to take a real big rise in the altitudes that will bring more warm temperatures across the western half of the country. Just the opposite across the Great Lakes. More snow expected there, more showers over the deep south. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. First of all, in the northern sections, isolated showers in Barrow with about 0 degrees for the high there. We'll see snow at Nome with 28 for the high. And mostly cloudy skies in Fort Yukon. They're looking at 11 degrees after a high today of 12 degrees, so pretty consistent. In the interior, mostly cloudy skies. A few flurries around the Denali Park and Healy area. 35 degrees there in contrast. Quite a bit cooler in Fairbanks, 15. Over southeast Alaska, looks like mixed rain and snow for Juneau with 34 for the high there, and Ketchikan much warmer at 42. Rain expected in Ketchikan. Over the southwest part of the state, looking at mixed showers for Cold Bay and Kodiak. A little snow at Bethel. Temperatures 40 degrees at Kodiak and 32 degrees at Bethel. And over the, we'll get to our kids' weather because we're running a little bit of time. So kids' weather watch, as you can see, we're looking to this week for our weather fact. And the weather fact is that Halakala Summit in Hawaii recorded a 14-degree temperature, and that is the record all-time high or overnight low for Hawaii anywhere. And amazing too. Mount McKinley Bank, thanks for sponsoring our Kids Weather Watch. And next week, North Pole Elementary will be our guest with the beginning of school once again. Here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. As you can see, we're looking at 0 for the overnight low, scattered high clouds, and tomorrow's forecast looking at 15 degrees, more clouds with temperatures near normal. Now, the 5-day outlook, as you can see here, looking at temperatures cooling off rapidly, in fact, dropping down to the 0-degree mark for the high day during the days, overnight lows in the teens below, maybe some light snowflakes possible over the weekend, but all in all, no real strong outbreaks of cold air on the horizon.